Hello YouTube. I decided to make a video regarding this brand uh, because I couldn't find anywhere on internet how can you make synchronization of the wiper blades. What happened is that this part here got rusted inside. Yeah, this part here got rusted inside, and the motor itself could not move anymore the parts. So what I had to do is take apart everything complete from here and here, and to disconnect this cable here. So then you have all the mechanism out. Then you take it apart, you clean it, you put it back. I did the same thing on the other side with the other motor. So what happened is that after that the motors were not anymore synchronized. I couldn't find on internet exactly how to do that, so after talking with some friends and some advices, finally I found how to do that. So what you have to do first is install the motors, and before you do anything else, you disconnect here. There is a nut here that holds this piece. This piece is so short and it's connected with a nut here underneath. That you have to leave out. You leave out and this mechanism falls here down. So you do the same sides, the two sides, you do the same. You take apart the nut. Maybe here I can show you the nuts better. Yes, here. This is the nut. You push this with your hand a little, and so that you have more space here, and then you take this nut out. Then this falls down. Do the same on the other side. And what you have to do then is go to your ignition. You put the ignition to on position. Of course you have to close the hood. That's why you have this indicator here. You have to close, the hood has to be closed, otherwise it will not work. And then you take out the ignition one more time. You take it out. Then you press the wiper arm, you press it down once, so that the motors they turn to the service position. Service position is when the wiper blades are standing here, one here up, one there up. When you do that, you will have space to connect back this arm in the maximum position to the right. Maximum position means it will hit here at the end. You have a stopping point here. I cannot show you, but you can feel it. It's here. So basically everything will go to the left. So when you do that, you connect this little arm, you put it over the axe of the motor, you put it back, you put the nut back, and you tighten it. The two of them, the two motors. When you've done that, you go back to the ignition, you put the ignition on, and you press again down one time on the handle. And that will bring back the position of the wiper as you see it here. This is the closing position, the closed position. What I did from here is put again in service to bring up the motors, because like I said at the beginning, this is not installed, this will not be installed, and the motors will be up. So then what you have to do is install the wiper arm in up position. In the up position, you put the nuts on the two sides, you put the nuts, tighten them, and then you go again, you press the handle, and it will come into its original position, and like that it will work. I'm hoping that it was clear enough. Thank you for watching.